Hey there, ever wondered how to get more respect from folks? You see, in our everyday life, respect is like a glue that holds relationships together, whether with your pals or at your workplace. It's not just about being polite or admiring someone, it's deeper than that. Respect is kind of a mirror, showing what kind of person you are and how much you value honesty. But earning respect? That's not a walk in the park, it's like a journey. A path that leads to personal growth, practicing social skills, and behaving professionally. It's about being that guy or gal who can be relied on, who really listens, who gets how others feel and treats folks with kindness. You might be thinking, why bother about earning respect? Well, respect is like a secret ingredient that makes almost everything in life better. It changes the way people see you, how you connect with others, and even how you see yourself. It can make or break relationships or your career. It's vital trust, team spirit, and meaningful bonds. But respect isn't free, you gotta earn it. And it's not about being popular or admired. It's about being reliable, honest, understanding, and professional. It's about valuing yourself and respecting others. It's about good communication, leading by example, and solving conflicts in a cool-headed way. In a minute, we'll dive into some practical ways to earn respect. I'm not talking about quick fixes or shallow tricks. Instead, I have some real tasks you can add to your daily routine that can help you earn respect and also boost your personal growth, social skills, and professional image. So, are you pumped up to take this journey of self-improvement and respect earning? Ready to find out how to earn respect? Let's get started. Let's delve into various ways to earn respect. Beginning with practicing active listening. When you show genuine interest in what others are saying, you not only learn more, but you also make them feel valued and heard. This fosters a sense of respect and mutual understanding. Following this, we discuss maintaining integrity. This entails consistently being honest and upholding strong moral principles, even when no one is watching. It's about doing what is right, not what is easy, and people will respect you for it. Another significant way to earn respect is by showing empathy. It's about understanding and sharing the feelings of others. It's not just about sympathizing, but truly feeling with them. Maintaining reliability is also important. Keeping your promises and commitments shows others that they can depend on you. When people know they can count on you, they'll respect you. Cultivating self-respect is crucial. Value yourself and your well-being. This is the foundation of earning respect from others. If you don't respect yourself, how can you expect others to? Developing confidence is about believing in your abilities without being arrogant. Confident people inspire others and earn their respect. Clear communication is key. Expressing your thoughts and ideas effectively helps avoid misunderstandings and fosters respect. Demonstrating professionalism in work settings earns respect. Being punctual, prepared, and focused shows that you take your work seriously. Humility is another essential aspect. Acknowledge your flaws and work on them. People appreciate those who can accept their imperfections and strive to improve. Respecting others is a fundamental way to earn respect. Treat everyone with dignity and consideration, regardless of their status or differences. Let's continue with more ways to earn respect. As we journey towards earning respect, we explore seeking self-improvement. The pursuit of constant personal and professional growth signifies a person who values their potential and is devoted to realizing it. This commitment to self-improvement exhibits to others that you respect not only yourself, but also those with whom you interact, by consistently endeavoring to bring your best self forward. Next, we delve into managing emotions. Maintaining composure under pressure and refraining from overreacting in high-stress situations reflects a level of emotional maturity that commands respect. The key isn't about suppressing emotions, but understanding and controlling them. We then move on to lead by example, which involves embodying the behavior you expect from others. This approach effectively inspires and motivates those around you and proves that you are not hesitant to hold yourself to the same standards you set for others. Our agenda then includes admitting mistakes. Since no one is perfect, acknowledging your errors demonstrates honesty and integrity. It signifies your readiness to take responsibility and learn from your mistakes rather than pinning the blame on others or denying your involvement. Our journey continues with Be Inclusive. Embracing diverse perspectives and backgrounds enhances our understanding of the world and shows respect for others' experiences and viewpoints. Following this, we have Show Gratitude. Regularly expressing your appreciation to others nurtures positive relationships and shows that you do not take people or their efforts lightly. We then discuss being consistent. Ensuring the alignment of your actions and words over time fosters trust and proves to others that you are reliable and stand by your word. Next up is seek feedback. Seeking and valuing others' input signifies that you respect their opinions and appreciate their insights. As we move forward, we touch upon handle conflict respectfully. Addressing disagreements with dignity demonstrates that you respect differing opinions and are open to finding common ground. Lastly, for this segment, we have demonstrating competence. Excelling at what you do and constantly striving for improvement garners respect by showcasing dedication and professionalism. We will continue to explore more ways to earn respect. Scene script. Let's look at the next set of ways to earn respect. First, we have offer help. Being willing to assist others in their time of need not only builds a sense of community, but also earns you respect. It's not about being a doormat, but about showing kindness and understanding when others are in a bind. Next up, stand up for your beliefs. This doesn't mean being obstinate or argumentative, but being able to assert your views respectfully, even when they differ from others. It's about having the courage to voice your convictions and standing your ground. Moving on, maintain a positive attitude. Optimism and a constructive outlook can make a world of difference. It shows resilience, a quality that commands respect. Remember, it's not about ignoring problems, but about finding solutions and focusing on the brighter side of things. Next, respect boundaries. Respect is a two-way street. Understanding and honoring personal and professional limits shows you value others' space and autonomy. Next, be open-minded. Being willing to consider new ideas and perspectives shows intellectual maturity and a thirst for knowledge. It's about being adaptable, flexible, and ready to learn. Then, practice patience. Giving time and space to others when needed can be a sign of respect and understanding. Patience shows that you value others' processes and timelines, not just your own. Subsequently, show interest in others. Engage with people about their lives and interests. Genuine interest in others fosters connection and mutual respect. Cultivate a strong work ethic is up next. Diligence and hard work never go unnoticed. They demonstrate commitment, responsibility, and a respect for the task at hand. The next point is avoid gossip. Speaking positively about others or not at all shows respect for their character and reputation. It's a sign of maturity and integrity. Lastly, demonstrate accountability. Taking responsibility for your actions is a hallmark of a respectful person. It shows you're not afraid to admit when you're wrong and are willing to make things right. Ready for more? Let's keep going. We're on the home stretch now. Let's dive into the next 10 ways to earn respect. First up is being independent. It's about thinking and acting autonomously. When you can make decisions and solve problems on your own, it shows you're a person who can be relied upon. Next is cultivating wisdom. This involves seeking knowledge and sharing it judiciously. Wisdom isn't just about what you know, but also about knowing when and how to share that knowledge. Then we have being resourceful. This means finding creative solutions to problems. People respect those who can think outside the box and turn challenges into opportunities. Being a team player is also important. This means collaborating effectively and supporting your peers. Remember, there's no IE in team. Practice good manners as well. It's as simple as being polite and courteous. It's an easy way to show respect to others and in turn earn their respect. On to staying composed. Keeping your cool in stressful situations shows you're someone who can handle pressure, and that commands respect. Fairness is key too. Treating everyone equally and justly is a surefire way to earn respect. It shows you value people for who they are, not what they can do for you. Giving constructive criticism is another way. Offering feedback in a helpful, non-hurtful way shows you care about others' growth and progress, and that's a trait that's respected universally. Respecting time is also crucial. Being punctual and valuing others' time shows you respect them and their commitments. And finally, maintaining physical appearance. This doesn't mean you need to be a fashion model, but presenting yourself neatly and appropriately shows you have self-respect, and that often translates into respect from others. Just a few more ways to earn respect left to go. Demonstrate passion is an essential way to earn respect. Show enthusiasm for your interests and responsibilities. This passion can be infectious, encouraging others to respect your dedication and zest. Next up is seek mutual benefits. When you're negotiating, aim for win-win outcomes. This shows that you value the needs and wants of others as much as your own, fostering respect for your fair-mindedness. Being curious is another effective way to garner respect. Showing interest in learning and exploring new things can earn you respect for your open-mindedness, thirst for knowledge. Next is maintaining good health. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being shows you respect yourself, and this self-respect often inspires respect from others. Showing cultural sensitivity is a key way to earn respect in our diverse world. Respecting and appreciating cultural differences can make a big difference. Speaking thoughtfully is another strategy. Avoiding rash words and thinking before you speak can earn you respect for your consideration and wisdom. Maintaining positive body language can communicate respect to others, encouraging them to reciprocate. Building trust is a fundamental way to earn respect. It's hard to respect someone you don't trust after all. Showing resilience is another commendable attribute. Life can be tough, but those who face challenges head-on, bouncing back from setbacks, earn respect for their strength and perseverance. Last but not least, being kind is a powerful way to earn respect. Showing kindness to everyone, regardless of who they are or what they can do for you, demonstrates a deep respect for humanity that can inspire respect in return. And there you have a list of effective ways to earn respect. We've covered a lot of ground today. We've discussed remarkable ways to gain respect, each one a stepping stone on the path to a more respected and fulfilling life. From practicing active listening to demonstrating professionalism, each point is a vital component of the respect puzzle. They're not just items on a list, but rather keys to unlocking a more profound connection with the world around us. We've explored the importance of maintaining integrity, showing empathy, and being reliable. These are not just actions but reflections of our character. They speak volumes about who we are and how we perceive others, laying the foundation for the respect we seek. We've learned about the importance of self-respect, confidence, and clear communication. These tools help us navigate our personal and professional lives and are integral to forming meaningful relationships. They radiate our self-assurance and invite others to respect us. We delved into the significance of humility, respect for others, and the pursuit of self-improvement. These are indicators of strength and maturity, showing that we are not afraid of our flaws and are constantly striving to be better versions of ourselves. We emphasized the value of emotional management, leading by example, and admitting our mistakes. These qualities distinguish leaders from followers, indicating that we can handle pressure, influence others, and learn from our errors. And lastly, talked about inclusivity, gratitude, and consistency. These virtues make us human, indicating that we appreciate diversity, value others' contributions, and stay true to our words and actions. Remember, is a two-way street. As you strive to earn respect, always remember to give it as well. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Until next time. Before we conclude, we'd like to express our gratitude for your participation in our journey today. Our aim was to provide you with valuable tips that inspire you to continuously strive for respect in every facet of your life. We end this video. Let's remember that respect is not achieved overnight, but it is a lifelong commitment. Each taken towards earning respect is a step closer to a more fulfilling life. As we part ways, we have a minor request. If you found this video enjoyable and helpful, please show some support. This can be done by liking the video, to our channel, and hitting the bell icon to ensure you're always updated with our future videos. Every like, share, and subscription we receive are deeply appreciated, as they aid us in creating more content like this. We're thrilled to continue this journey with you, exploring new topics and learning together. Therefore, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos like this. We are once again thankful and eagerly look forward to seeing you in our next video.